Never be late for an interview. Plan to reach at least 10 minutes prior to the scheduled time. And even if you are running late, do call up the point of contact in that company. Make sure you do that.
Dress for the job you want, not the one you have. While not all interviews will require you to walk in full-fledged formal attire, it is important that you look neat, groomed and professional. So no distressed denims, no slogan tees and no overly visible tattoos.
Smoking right before an interview might not be a good idea. You should smell fresh, so better keep a pack of breath mints along.
Please carry the required paperwork with you. Even if you mail the soft copy to the employer, it's always better to carry the hard copies.
On the day of your interview, make sure you're nice to anybody and everybody you meet. You never know, the man who you showed a middle finger in the parking lot could be the one taking your interview. Karma.
Please make eye contact. It shows that you are confident and you have nothing to hide. But just make sure that it's not intimidating or creepy.
जब तक बैठने के लिए नहीं कहा जाए, खड़े रहो. That's right. Sit only when a chair is offered to you. Also make sure that your posture is confident and energetic.
Your handshake should be as strong as your determination to get the job. But just make sure that you don't break the interviewer's hand in the process.
Being soft-spoken might not help. A forceful voice projects confidence and leadership qualities. However, you should not sound overtly aggressive too.
Do not bring up personal problems and issues to the table with the interviewer. Unless and until the interview is for roadie season shit, please.
Never be in a hurry to answer the question. Listen to it very carefully. If you're unable to hear the question, ask the interviewer politely. Also, do not forget to mention your strengths in your answer. Citing of examples will be an added bonus.
Don't be a robot. It's an interview, not a court hearing. Have a little fun with it, be more confident, make it a two-way conversation, and please don't give boring monosyllabic answers.
Don't show that you're too desperate for the job. Also, don't say anything negative about your current or ex-company and colleagues. It's not a good deal.
Never lie. If your employer asks you about your greatest achievements or your weaknesses, say it as it is. Stress on your achievements, but also talk about your weaknesses and how you're improving towards it.
Do your homework and don't be afraid to ask questions. It's important for you to read up about the company, the culture, maybe even your prospective employer, just to know why it is that you want to work for the company. Remember, this shows that you are invested in your career enough to do the research.
Do not inquire about your salary, bonuses, leaves until after you have received an offer. Being confident is good, but being overconfident is just plain stupid.
Even if your interviewer acts too friendly, make sure you behave properly and stay alert all the time.
Think beyond your resume. A good interviewer would probably allow you to talk about things that aren't in fact mentioned on your resume. Take this opportunity to impress them with your personal achievements and interests that could show how you're better suited for the job. Maybe you climbed Everest, maybe you like riding bikes. It could all fit in.
Most importantly, don't be nervous. We know you have it in you. You can crack any interview that you want. All the best.
तुम हमें लाइक दो,
Employer तुम्हें हाइक देगा.
तुम वीडियो को शेयर करो,
एम्प्लॉयर तुम्हारी केयर करेगा.
तुम वीडियो पे कमेंट करो.
तो कोई ना कोई तो तुम्हें जॉब दे ही देगा. सॉरी, ये मैच नहीं हुआ. कोई बात नहीं. एनीवेज, लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट ऑन द वीडियो.
पापा.
हाँ बेटा.
वो जरा बाहर जा रहा हूँ मैं.
कहाँ जा रहे हो बेटा?
वो अलीशा के साथ डिनर करने.
ठीक है, संभल के जाना जरा. जवानी में की गई गलतियां ना कभी कभी भारी पड़ जाती हैं. और हाँ, बाइक देख के चलाना. प्लीज राइड सेफली. हाँ.